T40 Rattler operates for up to 500 hours on a single AA alkaline battery. The icon on the display continuously shows the extent of battery life, and when low battery condition occurs, 2 quick beeps every 30 seconds will warn of that condition. To replace the battery, simply insert the supplied hex tool into the battery cap and rotate 1/8 turn counterclockwise as indicated. Make certain batteries are reinstalled with proper polarity, the positive end going in first. Replace the battery cap and turn clockwise.